Hey, dear English learners. Welcome back to English with Moses. This is day 3 of our 30-day English shadowing challenge. Today, we're going to learn how to make a new friend in English. But remember, don't try to be perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy speaking English. Because the secret to improving your English is simple. Practice every single day. All right. Let's start today's conversation.
English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hi, Sally. Are you ready for day 3?
Hi, Moses. Yes, I am super excited. Today's topic is very special. Making a new friend.
Yes, making friends is one of the best parts of life. But for many English learners, it can be scary. They worry they won't understand the other person.
I understand that feeling. When you are in a new place, it is hard to take the first step.
Exactly. But usually, people are very kind. If you smile and say hello, most people will smile back.
That is so true. A smile is a universal language, so Moses, let's show them how easy it can be. Imagine we are meeting at a park on a beautiful weekend.
Perfect. Let's do it. Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Oh no, it's free. Please go ahead. You can sit down.
Thanks. By the way, my name is Moses.
Nice to meet you, Moses. I am Sally.
Nice to meet you too, Sally. Are you from around here?
No, actually. I just moved here last month from Canada.
Oh, wow. Welcome to the city. How do you like it so far?
I love it. It's very beautiful, but it's a bit big for me.
I understand. It can be overwhelming at first. What brought you here?
I am here for university.
That's great. What are you studying?
I am studying languages. What about you, Moses? What do you do?
I am an English teacher. I help people communicate better.
That's awesome. It must be very rewarding.
It really is. By the way, do you come to this park often?
Yes, I try to come here every Saturday to relax and read.
Me too. It's the perfect place to escape the busy city life.
Absolutely. The weather is beautiful today, isn't it?
It really is. It's a perfect day. Hey, I am actually going to grab a coffee nearby. Would you like to join me?
I would love to. Thank you.
Great. Let's go. Great job, dear listeners. Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat after Sally, please. Try to copy our pronunciation and rhythm. Let's go.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here? Excuse me, is anyone sitting here? Oh, no, it's free. Oh, no, it's free. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Nice to meet you, I am Sally. Nice to meet you, I am Sally. Are you from around here? Are you from around here? I just moved here last month. I just moved here last month. I moved here from Canada. I moved here from Canada. Welcome to the city. Welcome to the city. How do you like it so far? How do you like it so far? I love it. It's very beautiful. I love it. It's very beautiful. It's a bit big for me. It's a bit big for me. It can be overwhelming at first. It can be overwhelming at first. What brought you here? What brought you here? I am here for university. I am here for university. What are you studying? What are you studying? I am studying languages. I am studying languages. What do you do? What do you do? I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. I help people communicate better. I help people communicate better. It must be very rewarding. It must be very rewarding. Do you come to this park often? Do you come to this park often? I come here every Saturday. I come here every Saturday. I like to relax and read. I like to relax and read. It's the perfect place to escape. It's the perfect place to escape. The weather is beautiful today. The weather is beautiful today. It really is a perfect day. It really is a perfect day. I am going to grab a coffee. I am going to grab a coffee. Would you like to join me? Would you like to join me? I would love to, thank you. I would love to, thank you. Great, let's go. Great, let's go.
Amazing work. Thanks, Sally, for being here. Dear learners, you have just completed day 3 of our English Shadowing Challenge. Remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Now, I have a challenge for you. Write a comment below to start a conversation. Just say, for example, "Hi, my name is Alice. Nice to meet you." And tell us one question you would ask them. I can't wait to read your answers. And if this lesson helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more English learners discover English with Moses. Don't forget to subscribe and join us tomorrow for day 4. We will learn how to talk about your family. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you tomorrow.